Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Vasi here, and today in this video I am going to show you how you can create and post a carousel on LinkedIn. Because if you are new to LinkedIn, then you will see that there is no specific option to upload a carousel. Anyways, I'm going to show you the complete steps to make a carousel for free and to upload it properly on LinkedIn. So let's begin the video. First of all, you are going to open any browser and you are going to open the website canva.com. Here you are going to sign into your Canva account or make a free one. Now why I am suggesting Canva is that you have a lot of free pre-made templates available of carousel and other different things which you can use. So if you're a complete beginner or a pro, I highly recommend this website. Now once you are signed in, make sure templates is selected and we are just going to type LinkedIn carousel and we are going to search for it. Here it will show you many of the pre-made carousel templates available which you can use. So some are free, but the one with this icon is a paid or premium icon, so you can just start with the free one and get the job done. So why not we select this one. It has a total of 4 pages and you can add more as well. You're going to click on customize this template. Now here you can see we have page 1, page 2, 3, 4, and if you want to add a new page, you can just click on add page. If you want to duplicate a page, you can click on the duplicate page, but for now I am going to use these 4 pages. And now I am just going to type the content that I want. So you can just simply customize your carousels from here. You can also change the colors. If you click on design, you can add many other things as well. Anyways, let me just quickly add my content. Once you have added the text to all of the pages for your carousel, now you can actually export it in the format that LinkedIn supports. So for that, click on the share button. From here we are going to click on download, and from the file type make sure to select PDF standard, because in order to post a carousel on LinkedIn it should be in the PDF format, and since all these pages are in the same dimension, it will not have any issue. Also, if you go to this LinkedIn help page, you can see that the max file size of the entire PDF should be 10 MB and the max dimensions are as follows. But if you're making on Canva, it's very rare that you're going to cross these limits. Anyways, we're going to click on download. Once it has been downloaded, we're going to open our LinkedIn. We're going to click on start a post, and from here you will not see the carousel option as we have media, event and these things. You're going to click on the more button, and here you're going to have the option add a document. So now we are going to upload the PDF that we just created. Here is the one, and you need to give a title to your carousel as well. So I'm going to give the title for this, and here you can see you can actually preview it and it is a carousel. Now we're going to click on done. If you want to give your post any captions, you can also add that. After adding my caption, you can again review it and click on post. Here you can see the carousel has been posted. You can go forward, you can go backward, and you can also maximize and minimize it. So yeah guys, this is how you can basically make and post a carousel on LinkedIn. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to like it. If you have any questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.